Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today we're gonna be messing around with my fidget spinner with my sister.
I have a white one.
Yeah, we both have one. We're gonna be messing around with these. So yeah.
You should get one. It's really.
Yep. You get one at Matt Hatter's.
Yep.
It's $5. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna have a contest. Okay, so we're gonna have a contest. Come here. So sit. We're gonna have a contest. Whose fidget spinner can spin the fastest? Ready? Wait. Ready, set, go. And stop.
You can see mine is kind of slowing down, but it's not. Wait, again. Mine goes slowing down.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, stop. So yeah.
See, it's like a bike. Ooh, I like it. Oh, you can see it's kind of slowing down, but it's not.
Yeah. And now with one finger. Going real long.
Oh, it's slowing down.
No. Hey, you did too. Oh.
I'm not doing the challenge.
Then get out of here.
He actually pushed.
So yeah.
Comment down below if you like white or red.
Just get the hell out of here. She's not in the video, okay? Screw her.
Screw him, he's so mean.
Get out my video. Okay, so yeah. So yeah. Oh, come on. Alright, comment down below who do you like. Peace out.